So today I'm going to get some onion sets in the ground, and I don't know where my yardstick is, so I'm going to just be using a regular tape measure. I'm going to measure out the distance between the rows and the distance between where the onions themselves should be planted. So I usually buy my onion sets from Baker Creek, or I have a nursery over on Main Street in Joplin that I like to go to, where I can get all organic onion sets or the seed potatoes. But this year I saw this at Lowe's and thought I'll go ahead and give it a try and just see how they grow. So it's 3 different types of onions in the box. So you get a red onion, which is called Red Baron, a white onion called Snowball, I'm assuming it's the white onion, and then Stuttgarters. According to the box, they should be planted 4 inches apart in the row with 12 inches before the row. So my soil is loosened up, and I'm going to go ahead and measure out. Alright, so with my tape measure, I'm going to measure the inside of my planting box, which is 24 inches. So I usually do 6 inches from the edge of the bed and start my first row. And then it says 4 inches in between. So if the inside of my bed is approximately 45.5 inches, okay, oops. So to about 4 inches, 36 and 40. Do the same with this one. About 4, 8, 12, 16, and 40. And I think in this bed I'm just going to plant these red ones look cruddy. Oh, they're in bad shape. I think in this I'm going to plant the white onions. So this is what an onion set looks like. And I do have a rotten one in there that we will get rid of. So when planting the onion, the root end goes down and this little pointy end goes up. Root end down, pointy end up. And you don't want to cover them up all the way. I usually leave it so a little bit of the pointy end is kind of poking out, and just go along and get them all in the ground. picking out the ones that are already kind of sprouting or look really big. And then I just give it a little bit of water and wait for them to grow. I have several more beds like this, and that's where I'm going to plant some more of these onions. And then I do have some organic ones coming that I will be putting in the ground too, but I wanted to try out this brand and see how they grow. And thanks for hanging out with me today while we planted some onion sets. Until next time, take care.